Finding the right bank for your betterment journey, a matchmaker's guide. Have you ever felt like your finances are stuck in a one-sided relationship? You're pouring your money into a bank account, but getting very little in return. Maybe it's low interest rates or hidden fees eating away at your savings. Well, what if I told you there's a way to break free and find a financial partner who actually works for you? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of investing with Betterment, a popular robo-advisor platform. But before we jump into how Betterment works, there's a crucial question that often gets overlooked. What bank do you connect to your Betterment account? The importance of bank choice. Your bank acts as the bridge between your everyday finances and your Betterment investments. It's the source of the funds you invest and the destination for any returns you generate. So, choosing the right bank can significantly impact your overall Betterment experience. Here's why. Fees. Some banks charge transfer fees when moving money between your checking account and your Betterment account. These fees can eat into your investment returns, so minimizing them is crucial. Transfer speeds. How quickly your money gets deposited into your Betterment account can affect your investment strategy. Ideally, you want a bank that facilitates fast and efficient transfers. Security. Safety is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned money. You need a bank with robust security measures to protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized access. Finding your Betterment banking match. Now that we understand the importance of bank choice, let's explore some banks that are known to be compatible with Betterment. Ally Bank. Ally is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and lack of transfer fees. They also offer robust mobile banking features, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Charles Schwab Bank. Charles Schwab is another strong contender, especially for those who already use their investment services. They offer fee-free ATM access worldwide and efficient ACH transfers, perfect for seamless integration with Betterment. Fidelity Investments. Fidelity boasts a user-friendly platform and a wide range of financial products, including checking accounts with competitive interest rates. Additionally, they often waive transfer fees for their account holders. Beyond the big names, exploring options. While the big players like Ally and Charles Schwab are popular choices, don't limit yourself. Here are some additional factors to consider when choosing a Betterment-compatible bank. Local credit unions. Credit unions often offer competitive rates and personalized service. They might be a good option if you prefer a more community-focused banking experience. Online banks. Many online banks offer competitive rates and features specifically designed for tech-savvy individuals. Look for features like mobile check deposit and budgeting tools. Traditional banks. While some traditional banks might have higher fees, they often have a wider branch network and longer operating hours. This can be convenient if you need in-person banking services. Considerations beyond compatibility. Remember, compatibility with Betterment is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some additional factors to keep in mind when choosing your bank. Minimum balance requirements. Some banks have minimum balance requirements to avoid monthly fees. Make sure you can comfortably maintain that balance or choose a bank with no minimums. ATM network. Consider your ATM usage habits. If you frequently rely on ATMs, choose a bank with a wide network or that reimburses ATM fees. Customer service. Having access to reliable customer service is important. Look for banks with different communication channels like phone, chat, and email support. The takeaway: do your research. The perfect bank for your Betterment journey depends on your individual needs and preferences. Take some time to research different banks, compare their features and fees, and read online reviews to get a sense of customer experiences. Bonus tip: consider multiple accounts. Here's a pro tip: you're not limited to just one bank account. You can connect a high-interest savings account from one bank to your Betterment account for funding your investments, and a separate checking account from another bank for your everyday expenses. This allows you to maximize the benefits offered by different institutions.